Bersih has called for Attorney General Mohd Dusuki Mokhtar to publicly explain the supposed mishandling of the criminal breach of trust case involving the International Petroleum Investment Company. This was after former Prime Minister Najib Abdul Razak and former Treasury Secretary General Mohd Irwan Serigar were granted a discharge not amounting to an acquittal for their 6 CBT charges. Bersih said this is a case of public interest and the Attorney General must explain why it failed to hand over the documents to the defense as required by law. It said the case had been filed since 2018 and questioned why it was impossible for the prosecution to obtain and hand over the related documents to proceed with the case. In a statement, the group asked if it was an intentional mistake by the prosecution. Bersih emphasized that the people have a right to an explanation because the entire cost of the case, including the prosecutor's salaries, is borne by taxpayers. It warned against hiding behind the excuse that the DNAA was the court's decision, since the trial judge has clearly stated that the DNAA is due to the prosecution's mistakes. It also demanded that the government announce a clear timeline to deliver its promise to separate the offices of the Attorney General and Public Prosecutor, and for Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim to guarantee implementation according to the timeline.